Welcome! In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome on this laptop. First, open your web browser like Microsoft Edge that is installed by default. Then open your search engine and search for Google Chrome. Find the Google Chrome on the official Google website. Press Download Chrome, and the Chrome setup file will start downloading. Open this file, click Yes, and then wait until the download is complete. It usually takes a couple of seconds. When the download is complete, let's wait until the browser opens up. And after a short while, you will see the Google Chrome browser on your screen. Now you can choose to sign in or don't sign in into a browser. You can also set it as a default browser right now by clicking this option right here, or you can skip this step too. Then you can turn on and add a privacy feature by clicking turn it on, or click no thanks if you don't need it. Click got it, and now you can use Google Chrome on your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.